What is going on, guys? So right now we are at New Mexico's Land of Fire and Ice. We're at the Ice Caves and Bandera Volcano. Bri and I were driving to El Mapai National Monument for an arch that Bri found, and we saw these huge billboards for volcanoes and ice caves. It was only 30 minutes out of the way, so we definitely had to come and scope it out. So I want to take you guys along with us. So it's kind of hard to see, but that is the rim of the volcano. So we're gonna climb up to the entrance of it. Hopefully we can see it. It's kind of in a whiteout right now.
The Bandera Volcano rose up in the volcanic fury some 10,000 years ago. The crater is approximately 1,400 feet across and 800 feet deep. Bandera is one of the finest examples of an erupted volcano in the country and one of the most accessible. An ancient lava trail leads you to a collapsed lava tube. Inside the ice cave, the temperature never rises above 31 degrees Fahrenheit. Here, the natural layers of perpetual ice glistens blue-green in the reflected rays of sunlight. All right, if you don't know by now, I hate the cold. Oh, I'm gonna fit over all these puffy sleeves. Oh, this feels so ugly.
So it looks like all of this behind me is lava rock, which is super cool. And Bandera Volcano is in a chain of volcanoes. It's the youngest in the area. It's pretty cool. A lady inside just told us about it. It was $12 a person, but it's so crazy. I had no idea there were volcanoes in New Mexico. And like, look at all this lava just scattered everywhere.
Okay, so when we bought our tickets, we were given this little pamphlet. And as you can see here, there's the number 4, which corresponds with this. So this is called the natural ice box. I'm done. If you look closely, you can see stacks of lava rocks forming a wall in front of the small cave.
What is this?
Eassa Indian ruins. Very cool.
So it is a freezing cold day. And she said on the warmest day of the summer, it doesn't get warmer than 31 degrees down here. So heading into the ice cave.
So there's this carving in the railing, as you can see, and I guess in the 50s and 60s, people were starting to do that in the cave itself, which is why we are no longer able to go down there and explore. So leave no trace, people, come on.
So this entire thing down here is frozen. That's so crazy. And she said when she was giving us kind of details of the tour that this is more than 20 feet deep.
Onto the volcano we go. Spatter cone. This type of lava formation is called a spatter cone when minor vents form in molten lava. Ladies and gentlemen, here we have more about the trees. The ponderosa and pinon pines are the most predominant. All right, and finally, we have number 18, which is the Bandera lookout point. As we said at the beginning of this video, this crater last erupted 10,000 years ago. So, very cool.
I'm gonna give Bri a 10 out of 10 on informative guide for this beautiful hike. What do you guys think? So we are heading back to the car, drone stuff was super epic, but it was hard to get the entire thing because anytime I tried to go up high, I got in a whiteout of clouds, so I couldn't get too much. But the shots I did get were super cool. You could see the rim, pretty awesome. So super, super awesome place. We're heading out now, and we're gonna drive an hour to El Malpais National Monument to see an arch called Laventana Arch. Looks pretty sick. Gonna do sunset there. I'll take you guys with us.
This is so cool. I happened to just find this on Google Maps a few weeks ago. It added like 2 hours to our road trip drive, but so worth it. This is like cooler than any arch I've seen at Arches National Park or like a lot of places in Utah, so epic!
Oh, look at that fucking thing. Oops. Look at that thing. Adding to earlier, please do not do this. Should be obvious, but yeah, don't do that. So that is gonna be it for today. This is a jam-packed day with volcanoes, ice caves, and it's probably the biggest arch we've ever seen in our life. Very, very cool day. Hope you guys enjoyed watching. If you're not already, please subscribe for some more videos.
Please subscribe.
Hope you enjoyed Bri's tour guiding earlier today.
Bye.